Guys, check out this build. This is nuts. These two actually. That track spec. You got the Fast and the Furious 300Z 240. Got the RX-7 EM1. And this mint Mugen wheels. Yeah. So nice. So they have this RX-7 with 36,000 original miles. 1978, 79. Runs, drives, cold AC. It's pretty wild. I kind of want it. No, this I definitely want. So clean. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, so we've been working on this Fiesta ST. I feel like every car that comes in, it has been AC because it's hot. We're in Florida. It's very hot. Everybody wants their AC. Look, this man out here. He's setting up the AC too for the shop. AC compressor, but the AC lines were melted. And we think it was the like the turbo inlet pipe. It kind of melted a piece of the line. So got it welded. And then my man's over here putting it back on. Yeah. Él dijo que no la quiere parquear allá porque le da sol.
Es un cabrón, es un cabrón.
Tu papá dijo, ay, pues me la llevo a la marquesina. Va a tener que traerse un tent. Uf.
Dame ese plato.
¿El qué? ¿El plato? Where? Oh boy. Oh.
No, dale, tranquila, tranquila, como tú quieras. Tú entra como tú quieras.
lines are back in. Just gotta put this back together for the intake and do the whole AC thing again because it had a leak. Alright, how many Puerto Ricans does it take to troubleshoot an AC? So, an AC right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's hot out.
Que incluir en los videos, bro. Eso es lo que se vende.
Eso es lo que se vende.
Cabrón, tuviste el que yo vi, el meme que yo compartí de los podcasts. Yo comparto de todos los videos.
Ese yo lo vi.
Let's start a podcast. Welcome to the first
Ese yo lo vi,
episode.
sí, ese yo lo vi.
Cabrón, obligado, nos vamos presos, jodidos. Calzo.
Y se puede hacer, pues yo tengo todo el equipo.
Vaya, bravo. Lo dejo hasta ahí. No, I really don't know. Con aire acondicionado. Mira.
Debería ser como este, un poquito de agua y ya.
Ya, hacer un ratito, un momento. Quita esto. Vente aquí.
Billet.
Otra lata allí que todavía has traído, hay que sumarle 3 a él.
Yo no vi, nunca habían ahí.
Lo voy a dejar aquí.
Sí,
Right?
24 horas.
Yeah.
Lo que vas a ver es mamada. No, es para la paga a veces. Vente.
¿Qué marca es esa?
DJI.
Ella busca todo el movimiento,
Sí,
¿verdad?
sí.
¿Cuánto te costó esa?
Como 800.
¿Verdad? Linda, ¿verdad? Mira, cabrón.
So I took a little lunch break. I got Culver's. This is my second time having Culver's. And I got a chocolate shake. It's very thick. It's good though. How do I place you? Put you here? Oh yeah, hey. Hope you guys like my Dream Girl air freshener. So the goal today was to work on the RX-7, but we've been working on that one Fiesta ST for like 5 hours. Yeah, I don't know. The line had a hole, and it looked like it was like melted through the middle line. Something melted it, and then got it fixed. The guys next door, Map Green, and for some reason, like the car's like smoking. I think it might have some sort of oil leak, or something has oil and it's like burning through the oil. So we don't think it's the line. I think it's just the car from the aftermarket upgrades. So we'll see. Heading back now. Oh, my camera fell. I took that turn way too hard. Yeah, I'm getting to the shop now, so we'll see where we're at. So we gotta tell the customer the compressor he bought. It's no good. Who knows where he got it from? Temu. It don't work, bro. Sorry. All right, so it's been like 5-6 hours and we're still working on this Fiesta. So compressor was bad, line was broken, then the fan wouldn't kick in, so we put back the OEM compressor and fixed the connections on the fan, and we're just filling it up with gas. And then yeah, that should be pretty much it. I did work on the Mazda. Let's see if you guys can see. I polished the lips on the wheels. Car's looking pretty mint. It's looking pretty good. Well, on my way home, it is pouring. And I was gonna bring the E30 out today. No AC, windows down with this rain. Yeah, no. So it looks like it's gonna rain out tomorrow too. So might bring out the G42, maybe. If not, all reliable SUV. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.